and sun, mountain, and a river.
हाँ और और कुछ.
Bird,
ये
sky.
गर्ल जो रिवर के बैंक पे बैठी है, इट मीन्स रिवर के किनारे ये बैठी है, क्यों बैठी है? और इट्स फेस लाइक सैड. व्हाई?
Yes. Because she is crying for a reason.
These paragraphs show that Janvi is sad and crying near the river. Okay. Suddenly, something surprising happened. Why? What happened? Like
Uh,
a big bright tear splashed down her nose, and another. It means Janvi was crying. Big tears rolled down her face one after another. Right?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next point is a kingfisher swept down, its wing an arrow of blue in the sunlight. It means Janvi was a kingfisher bird flew down quickly. Its blue wing looked bright and beautiful in the sunlight. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. And a green lizard slithered down to the river edge to bath in the sun. It means a green lizard moved slowly to the side of the river to enjoy the warm sunlight. Clear this line?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what does it mean? What does it mean, this paragraph? Tell me.
One day, a big bright tear splashed down her nose. Who's Janvi?
Yes.
And another, a kingfisher swept down, its wings an arrow of blue in the sunlight. A kingfisher swept down, its wings an arrow of blue in the sunlight. And a green lizard slithered. Slithered means moved by sliding from side to side.
Clear everything? Any doubt in this paragraph?
No, ma'am.
So, can we move on next paragraph?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next paragraph is Dear, dear, said a sleepy, murmuring voice. What's the matter? It means suddenly Janvi heard a soft and sleepy voice asking, What happened? Why are you sad? Okay? And Janvi was startled because she was sure she had been quite alone. It means startled.
Ma'am.
Startled means surprised.
Yes.
Okay.
Surprised.
So Janvi became shocked and surprised because she thought